Alright, welcome back my lovely student. This is Junior WAEC Igbo L2 2016 past question review. Question and answer. That is what we are solving now, we are tackling now. So please get your last word or the past question that you have with you, that is Igbo L2. Get it with you. And before we start, please subscribe to this channel now. We are waiting for you. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. As you can see in our last class, we did mkparịta ụka. I read it, and this is that question that I read. These questions here, these are the ones that I read. But now we are going to start from number 21, which is not the dialogue again, is another thing altogether. Do from 21 to 30 or more. Okay, so let's start. Number 21. In which part of Nigeria is Igbo land located? A. Midwest. B. North. C. South. D. Southeast. E. Southwest. So the answer is D, which is Southwest. Igbo land is located in Southwest. Okay, 22. How do we write 12 in Igbo? How do you write 12 in Igbo? A. Iri na abụọ. B. Iri abụọ abụọ. C. Iri abụọ na abụọ. D. Iri abụọ. Okay. E. Iri narị abụọ. The answer to how to write 12 is iri na abụọ. Iri na abụọ, which is A. Then 23. The soccer Igbos use in presenting kola nut to visitors is called A. Iko ọjị. B. Ite ọjị. C. Ọgba ọjị. D. Ọkwa ọjị. Okay. E. Opi ọjị. Answer to number 23 is what we called D, which is Ọkwa ọjị. That is what we call the saucer that we used to present kola nut to any visitor. Ọkwa ọjị. Okay, then 24. Okay, yes. 24 is clear here. 24. Otu puku pụtara gịnị na bekee? Otu puku pụtara gịnị na bekee? A. 100. B. 1000. C. 1 million. D. 1 billion. E. 1 trillion. The answer to number 24 is B, which is 1000. Puku means 1000, which is 1000. Okay. 25. How do you greet somebody who gives you something? How do you greet somebody who gives you something? A. Kachibo. B. Imela. C. Jisike. D. Kedu. E. Odimma. The answer to 25 is Imela. Imela. When somebody gave you something, you tell the person Imela. Okay. 26. Okay. Ole ka ụdaume Igbo dị? Ole ka ụdaume Igbo dị? Okay. How many is the Igbo? Okay, 26. How many is the Igbo vowel? How many is the Igbo vowel? A. Anọ. B. Ise. C. Isii. D. Asaa. E. Asatọ. The answer to number 26 is Asatọ, which is C. Asatọ, which is C. Okay. Then 27, họpụta ọgbara dabara adaba n'usoro abịdị Igbo. Now, in this arrangement from A to E, they interchanged it. So you have to point out the one that is well arranged. Now, A, we have gi, gwi, gi, wi, hi. B, we have gwi, gi, gwi, wi, hi. C, we have gi, gwi, gi, wi, hi. D, we have gwi, gi, gwi, hi, gi. E, we have hi, gi, gwi, gwi, gwi. So the answer to number 27 is A, which is gi, gwi, hi, gwi, hi, gi, gwi, hi. That is the arrangement. When you look at the Igbo ABCD, that's how it's arranged. Okay, number 28. Ekere ụdaume Igbo ụzọ ole? How many ụdaume Igbo? How many are there? And they divided into how many, which is number 28. A is abụọ, B atọ, C anọ, D ise, E is C. The answer is A, which is abụọ. Then 29. Kedu akara na-egosi ngwụcha ahịrịokwu ebe a? Kedu akara na-egosi ngwụcha ahịrịokwu ebe a? What is the punctuation that shows that the sentence has ended? Okay, A, we have, you said one, you can see everything that we have there. So the answer is 29. The answer is C, which is full stop. Okay, number 30. Gịnị ka akara ngudo pụtara na Bekee? Gịnị ka akara ngudo pụtara na Bekee? A, bracket, B, comma, C, full stop, D, question mark, E, semicolon. The answer is akara ngudo number 30. The answer is A, which is bracket. Go to JS1 scheme of work. I treated this thing. There's one scheme of work, third term. You will see it there. Akara edemede. Yes, go to the topic. When you search it in this YouTube, you see it. In this channel, you see it. Go to the topic, akara edemede Igbo, which is punctuation mark. I treated it there. So you can go and look at it so you know other ones. Okay? Okay. You said that the question is bracket, which is A. Okay? Number 31. Olee steeti na-asụ asụsụ Igbo karịa n'ime ndị a? A, Adamawa, B, Edo, C, Ebonyi, D, Delta, E, Kogi. The answer is C, which is Ebonyi. The answer is C, which is Ebonyi. Alright. 32. Kedu nke bụ aka ọrụ ndị Igbo ebe a? Which one is the handwork of the Igbo people here? A, ikwe akwa, B, ịkọ ugbo, C, ịkpụ ụrọ, D, ịkụ azụ, E, ịzụ ahịa. Yes, the answer is, I don't need to tell you. So which one is the Igbo's career here? The answer is ịzụ ahịa. Igbo people are known for business. Igbo people are known for business, which is ịzụ ahịa. Then 33. How many double consonants do we have in Igbo alphabet? How many double consonants do we have in Igbo alphabet? That is number 33. A, 7, B, 8, C, 9, D, 10. The answer is C, which is 9. We have 9 double consonants in Igbo. 9. Alright? So thank you very much. This is where we'll call it a day for today's class. So please subscribe to this channel and give us a call if you have any question or WhatsApp us 07088742960. Remember, we are an educational agency, Uzie Academy HSA, running educational program. Thank you very much. Pursue knowledge.